Well, hello, my YouTube friends and families. So this is my first Ipsy glam bag order, which should be called Ipsy glam box. But anyways, we shall see what I got. I'm so excited about this because I wanted to see what their products were like. I even changed my preferences. So let me get the box open. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, we even got blue foam. I like this. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you is the message on the box. Very cool. Oh, we got more of the block party. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh, this is nice. This is where you go from sample size to full size and you get your 5 products. So looky there. We have the Luxe Cream Mats. Look how beautiful that packaging is even. I'll try to get the box open. How nice is this? Oh, these colors are really pretty. Nice. So you get these 3 colors, which, let me see what the card says. This is the trio, value $54. It says to shake well. Using the wand, draw an X on a cupid's bow and a line at the center of your lower lip, and then connect the lips. Oh, cool. How cool is that? So we got that. And then we got, this is the Sunday Rally Cream. This is a hydration cream with vitamin C, which is valued at $65. This moisturizer infused with ultra-potent vitamin C to help skin damage visibly brighten your skin while adding dewy luminous glow. Can be used, massage into clean skin AM or PM. Nice. Then we have the Healing Turmeric Mask. And this is an extract deep into your pores to draw out impurities and help reduce redness, inflammation in this lightweight mask. And it gently slows dead skin cells away. You apply a thin layer, leave it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. So you get lip, you get skin care. Love the variety. And then you get the Suva Beauty Liner. And it comes with the brush where you put this on. This is a $26 value for this set. Wet the 26 brush and dip into the pan. Mix with the liner, adding more water if necessary to get a nice creamy consistency. And then trace your lash line to create the look. Let the product air dry before twisting the cap back on. Pretty cool. That's interesting. And then you get this. This is so cool. This is retail valued for $24. And this is, they partnered with the video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition. This is not going to come out that easy. There we go. Kind of got to wiggle your finger in there, loosen up a little bit. To create different shapes, sizes, and colors and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented velvety buildable shades to create the look you want. From subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. Oh, is that like not pretty? Those are pretty colors too. You have back-to-back skyline, T-spin, top out, high score, and lime clear. Those are very pretty. I love the mirror in the case too. Nice. So you get Tetras. You get a Tetras eyeshadows. Love it. So there you go. This would be the monthly glam bag that I got for June. Very interesting products to try. Or to put into giveaways later. You just never know what I'll do with my stuff. So with that, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to, no pressure added. If you enjoyed this video, you can like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a great day, and thank you for spending time with me. Bye.